Hello and welcome to today's question on the board. We have that 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 16, and we're supposed to find the value of x. Now you can pause the video here and try to solve the question and let me know your answer in the comments, or you can just follow along as I solve. Solution. So we have 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 16. Now, first thing we'll do is let us represent 4 raised to the power x with the variable b. So now this becomes b plus b is equal to 16. B plus b will give us 2b equals 16. And to find b, we'll divide both sides by 2. And b is now equal to 8. Now let us recall that b is equal to 4 raised to the power x. So now we have 4 raised to the power x equals 8. Now, to find x from here, we need to introduce log to both sides of the equation. So now we have log of 4 raised to the power x equals log 8. And from the log rule, we know that log of b raised to the power a is equal to a log b. Okay, so now our left hand side now becomes x log 4 equals log of 8. Now we can break down 8. So what numbers can multiply themselves to give us 8? So 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8, right? So now we have x log 4 is equal to log of 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. Now log rule states that when we have log of a times b, it is the same as log of a plus log b. This we're going to apply to the right hand side of this equation. So we have x log 4 equals log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2. So now to find x, we just divide both sides by log 4 and divide by log 4. Log 4's cancel out on the left hand side, and so we have that x is equal to log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 all divided by 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2. So then what we have here now becomes log of 2 raised to the power 2. Now, from our previous rule of log, we know that log of 2 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 2 log 2. Okay, so our x is now equal to log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2. So now let us rewrite the right hand side as standalone fractions. And so we have x equals log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2. And now the log 2's cancel out, and what we have left is x equals half plus half plus half. Now half plus half will give us 1, and 1 plus half will give us one whole number, 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. So therefore our value of x is equal to 3 divided by 2. And this is our final answer. But now we're not going to stop here. We're going to try to verify this answer just to confirm that it is correct by plugging in the value of x into our initial equation. Initial equation that we had was 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x equals 16. So now what we're trying to prove is that the left hand side, when we plug in x, the value of x into x on the left hand side and add up, that it will be equal to the value that we have on the right hand side, which is 16. So now let us go ahead and plug in the value of x. So we have 4 raised to the power 3 over 2 plus 4 raised to the power 3 over 2. And we're trying to see if this is going to be equal to 16. 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 over 2 plus 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 over 2. Now, the 2's cancel out. The 2's cancel out. And what we have left is 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3. And 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 plus 8. And we see that 8 plus 8 will give us 16, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, this just simply proves that our value of x, which is 3 over 2, is the correct answer to this question. So if you've learned something new today from this solution, make sure that you like this video, share this video. Let me know what you have to say in the comment section. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.